Welcome, dear soul. You are safe here. You have arrived at a space of tranquility where the outside world can pause and you can simply be. This is your moment, your sacred time to let go, to breathe, and to embrace the kindness and gentleness that you so deeply deserve. Life can feel overwhelming at times, like waves crashing upon the shore. But right now, in this very moment, none of that matters. There is only peace, there is only you, your breath, and the gentle rhythm of stillness that exists within. Take a moment to settle into a quiet, comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Whether you choose to sit or lie down, allow your body to soften into this space. Feel the ground beneath you, supporting you, holding you with care. You are not alone in this moment. You are deeply supported. Now, when you're ready, gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Feel the air fill your lungs, expanding your chest, nourishing every cell of your being. And now, slowly exhale. Feel the weight of the day begin to melt away with your breath, like a soft mist drifting into the air. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply, filling yourself with warmth, with light, with ease. Hold this breath for a moment and now exhale, allowing your shoulders to drop, your muscles to relax, and your heart to soften. With each breath, you are arriving more fully into this present moment. With each breath, you are stepping deeper into peace. Let's begin. Bring your awareness to your breath. Notice its gentle rhythm, flowing in and out like the tide. There is no need to force it, just observe. Feel how your body naturally expands with each inhale and softens with each exhale. Take a deep breath in, drawing in calmness, and as you breathe out, let go of any tension you may be holding. Imagine each breath as a wave washing over you, carrying away stress and leaving behind serenity. Now, shift your focus to the top of your head. Imagine a warm, golden light gently touching your forehead, softening any tightness. This light brings with it peace, relaxation, and ease. Allow it to travel downward, smoothing the space between your eyebrows, releasing tension from your jaw. Feel your face relax completely. Your eyelids feel heavy, your cheeks soften, your entire face becoming weightless, as if you are floating in a warm embrace of light. Let this soothing warmth flow down into your neck and shoulders. Perhaps you've been carrying stress here. Let it melt away now. Picture the tension dissolving like mist in the morning sun. Your shoulders grow lighter as if a heavy burden has been lifted. Your arms become soft and relaxed, your hands resting gently at your sides, tingling with gentle warmth and tranquility. Feel this relaxation spreading through your chest, wrapping around your heart like a gentle embrace. Breathe deeply, letting your heart expand with love, safety, and comfort. Any weight you've been carrying in your heart is gently lifted away with each breath. With every inhale, you draw in peace and healing. With every exhale, you release any heaviness, letting it drift far, far away. Now, let this warm wave of relaxation move lower through your abdomen, your hips, and your thighs. Any tightness, any discomfort, let it all go. You are safe. You are held. Your stomach softens, your hips settle into comfort, and your legs feel lighter as if they are sinking deeper into the support beneath you. The warmth continues down through your knees, your calves, all the way to your feet. Imagine any lingering stress draining away through your toes, dissolving completely, leaving you feeling light, free, and deeply at ease. Feel the rhythm of your breath as it calms you, soothes you, bringing you into a deeper state of relaxation. You are grounded, anchored in this moment of peace. With each breath, your heart grows calmer, your thoughts become quieter, and your body relaxes even more deeply. Take another slow, deep breath in, and as you exhale, surrender completely to this peaceful state. You are fully present, fully relaxed, and completely at peace. You are not rushing anywhere. You are simply here in this moment of stillness and calm. Imagine yourself in a hidden sanctuary, surrounded by lush greenery, the air filled with the scent of fresh earth and wildflowers. A gentle waterfall cascades down smooth stones ahead of you, its water crystal clear, shimmering in the soft light. The sound is soothing, like a lullaby from nature itself. You step closer, feeling the cool mist kiss your skin, a reminder of how light and free you can feel. With each inhale, you take in the refreshing energy of the waterfall. With each exhale, you release any tension, any worries. The air is thick with peace, wrapping around you like a comforting embrace. Now, take another step forward and step beneath the waterfall. As the warm, soothing water flows over you, feel it washing away all your stress, all your burdens. Every droplet carries away tension, dissolving any heaviness in your body. The water is infused with calmness, with healing, with renewal. You close your eyes, letting the water cleanse not just your body, but your mind and soul as well. Feel the weight of the day slipping away. The doubts, the anxieties, the worries, they no longer have a place here. The waterfall carries them far, far away, dissolving them into nothingness. You are left feeling light, refreshed, renewed. Your mind is clear, your heart open, your spirit free. The water continues to flow, cleansing away any negativity, filling you with deep tranquility. You breathe in deeply, allowing this peace to settle into every part of you. This is your sanctuary, a place of stillness, a place of healing, and it is always within you, ready to welcome you whenever you need it. Take another slow, deep breath in, and as you exhale, surrender completely to this peaceful state. You are fully present, fully relaxed, and completely at peace. As you continue to relax, take a moment to gently bring your awareness inward. Acknowledge how much you've been through, how much you've carried, and how much strength you've shown every single day. You've faced challenges, obstacles, and moments of doubt, but despite all that, here you are, stronger, wiser, and more resilient than you may even realize. Now, in this moment, allow yourself to simply be. There is no need to be anything other than exactly who you are right now. Let go of any expectations or pressures to be perfect. You are allowed to feel exactly as you do in this moment. You are human, and that is enough. Visualize yourself surrounded by a soft golden light. This light is warm, comforting, and all encompassing. It represents your innate capacity for self love and compassion. With every breath, feel this light growing stronger, more vivid, wrapping you in its tender embrace. With each inhale, breathe in kindness, and with each exhale, release any feelings of guilt, shame, or self criticism. Allow your breath to act as a gentle release valve, letting go of anything that no longer serves you. Picture yourself cradling your own heart, holding yourself as you would hold a beloved friend who needs comfort. Let the love you give yourself flow deeply, tenderly. Whisper to yourself, you are enough, you are loved, you are worthy. Let these words resonate within you, filling you with a deep sense of inner peace. Imagine each exhale carrying away the remnants of judgment, disappointment, or anything that weighs heavily on your soul. Feel yourself growing lighter with every breath, as if the soft golden light is lifting the burden of past worries and fears. You no longer need to hold on to anything that brings you stress or doubt. It is safe to let go. Know that you've done your best, and that is enough. You are enough. You are worthy of care, of love, and of all the peace and beauty this world has to offer. Trust that in this moment you are exactly where you need to be. Let the warmth of self compassion fill you, bringing comfort to every part of your being. Feel the tenderness and love radiating from within. Allow this compassion to soothe any lingering tensions in your mind or body as you gently release them into the light. You are deserving of rest. You are deserving of peace. You are deserving of the love and kindness that flows from within and surrounds you at all times. Now imagine a soft golden light growing within you. It begins at your heart, a gentle glow of warmth, love, and tranquility. With every inhale, this light expands, radiating through your entire body. It moves through your chest, down your arms, through your legs, until you are completely wrapped in its healing embrace. This light is your strength, your peace, your unwavering calm. It is always within you, ready to guide you through any storm. Take a deep breath in, feeling this inner light brighten, illuminating every part of your being. And as you exhale, know that you carry this light with you wherever you go. Now, softly repeat these affirmations to yourself, feeling their truth settle deep within. I am safe. I am held. I am at peace. Stress and worry have no power over me. I choose to release all that no longer serves me. I am grounded. I am centered. I am calm. Peace flows through me with every breath I take. Slowly, begin to bring awareness back to your surroundings. Feel the surface beneath you, the gentle rise and fall of your breath. Wiggle your fingers and toes, inviting movement back into your body. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to stretch, to smile, to embrace this feeling of deep relaxation. Carry this peace with you as you step back into your day, knowing that you are strong, you are grounded, and you are at ease. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. You are worthy of this peace. You are worthy of this care. If this meditation brought you peace, don't forget to subscribe to the Sunshine Sage for more moments of calm and healing. Take care of yourself. You deserve it.